1/2 kilograms chicken, cut in strips. 2 tablespoons soya sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon oregano and thyme. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1 egg. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder. Water as per required. Mix well. Coat in batter. Coat in breadcrumbs. Medium hot oil. Fry on low to medium flame until crispy.